Sanibonani. I thought I'd do another song, this time a song by a DJ Melon. The song title is Themba Lami, which means my hope. It features someone called Soul Star and Mondli Ngcobo. Mondli Ngcobo we've done before, the song Inkanyezi, which I love very, very, very much. So anyway, this one is titled Themba Lami. I'm going to also post the video, the link to it that's on YouTube, and I believe it's also available on iTunes. So I'm just going to read to you the words in isiZulu and then the translation, and then there would be some parts where might need a bit of maybe say explanation. So the pink parts are then the translation, the blue parts are just that added translation. So I'm just going to share the screen so you can see the song. So here we are. Ngihambile umhlaba wonke mntana womuntu. That means I've traveled the whole world. Mntana womuntu. Mntana womuntu is mntwana womuntu. That's the full word, or the full term. So someone's child. Mntwana is a child. Womuntu, of someone. So it's a commonly used phrase to refer to a person from another family. You do hear it a lot with people when they say things that, oh, I wish ingane yomunye umuntu or umntwana womuntu could take me out for lunch. You know, so take me out on a date or something like that. Oh, I wish I could be with umntwana womuntu right now and walking and going to a picnic or something like that. So that type of thing. So umntwana womuntu, mntana womuntu is the short of it. Azange ngithole omunye ofana nawe. Azange ngithole omunye ofana nawe. I never found another like you. Ngihambile umhlaba wonke themba lami. I've traveled the whole world, my hope. Themba is hope and lami is a possessive pronoun, mine. So my hope. Azange ngithole omunye ofana nawe. I've never found another like you. Ngihambile umhlaba wonke mntana womuntu. I've traveled the whole world mntana womuntu. Azange ngithole omunye ofana nawe. Same statement. I've never found another like you. Ngihambile umhlaba wonke themba lami. Angizange ngithole omunye ofana nawe. Hawe is like, and it's an expression, like one who is crying or lamenting. So hawe, usually you hear people say hawe ma, is it because people cry, you know, to their mothers. So hawe ma, I say that a lot when I drop something or whatever. Hawe ma, a lot, you know, so hawe is that expression. Azange ngithole omunye ofana nawe. I never found another like you. Nguwe wedwa onegunya lokubiza. Oh, sorry. Nguwe wedwa onegunya lokungibiza ngegama lami. Nguwe wedwa, you are the only one. Onegunya. Igunya is permission. So onegunya, with permission. Lokungibiza, to call me, ngegama lami, by my name. This one has a cultural connotation to it, that a man's name can't just be called by just anyone, by just any Tom, Dick, and Harry. So you treat it with respect. So he's saying that, so this girl is the only one who has the permission to call him by name. Phela wena ungumantshingelane wephakathi lami. This is a play of words, of course, because music is poetry. So the part that says phela wena, so you are the God of my, or of the inside of me. That's basically the direct translation of it. But really what it's saying is, you are the God of my heart. So umanchingelane, let's explain this one. This is what it is in English. March in the line. March in the line. Manchingelane. So as you can think about it, when soldiers or police or security guards are marching, then they will be saying, march in the line. So of course, then the joke is that they don't hear what they are being told, you know, the exact words. So they then say manchingelane, manchingelane. So much in the line. So then the word then, or the term that they end up being called as in security guards is umanchingelane, which they don't like, by the way. So do not call them that. They don't like it. But anyway, so that's what the term is. So now this is now in reference to someone who is guarding. So he says, nguwe umanchingelane wephakathi lami. So you are the God of my heart, so of the inside of me, so of my heart. So the girl is the one who guards his heart. Make nimubuke mayehamba. So look at her when she walks. And this one, he doesn't even finish the statement because he's like, wow, look at her when she walks, and then moves on. Ngisho kwelizayo ngizokhetha wena. Even in the next life, I will choose you. Kwelizayo, you can be saying in the next life or in the next world. So in the next life or universe, I will choose you. So ngisho means even. Hawe, that expression for crying or lamenting. Azange ngithole omunye ofana nawe. I never found another like you. I must stress this though. Azange is actually not quite grammatically correct. So don't say it when you are now speaking. He's just saying this is in a song where you would say angikaze ngimuthole omunye ofana nawe. Akekho ofana nawe, there is no one like you. Igama lakho libhaliwe enhliziyweni yami. Igama lakho, so your name, libhaliwe is written enhliziyweni yami, in my heart. So inhliziyo is the heart. So if we're changing heart to a locative, then we say enhliziyweni yami. Akekho omunye engimuthandayo ngaphandle kwakho. There is no other I love except you. Engimuthandayo, so it's the one that I love. So he's saying there is no one that he loves except this girl he's talking about. Ngiyathotobala uma nginawe. This one, I've tried to find words to define utotobala. Ukutotobala, it's like hurdling up or curling up or to burrow, so sort of like shyly when he sees her, he's so shy, and yeah, that type of thing when he sees her. So uyatotobala when he is with her, when he wena ungavusa umuzi wakiti. You can raise up my family or my family home. So this one, the expectation is that when a man marries a woman, they will have children and continue the family name, hence the raising up of the family or the home. So umuzi in this case, meaning a house, right? So one umuzi, a house, but it's also used to say a family. So in this context now for the song, he's talking about the family. So, but you must just note the difference when it comes to house, as in umuzi. Ikhaya is a home. So when I say ekhaya, I mean at home. Umuzi is a house, just the building, a house. But depending on the context, you may be speaking of the family. So umuzi wakiti, I would be speaking about my family, or I'm speaking about the house itself, the actual building. Oh, wangenza umuntu. Wangenza umuntu, it's okay, meaning, oh, you've made me a person. So this one is a Zulu idiom. So it's just a saying. So when someone does something good for you or shows you some kindness, then you say that they've made you a person. I hope you understand that. So the goodness that the person, or the kindness that the person has shown you, is actually, you're saying that they've made you a person. Not that you are not a human being, but you feel that you are a being, that you are loved, that you are cared for. So now you are saying umuntu. You feel that umuntu, you are a person because of the kindness they have shown you. So the saying goes together with the one that says bengiyini ngaphandle kwakho. So what could I have been without you? It does go hand in hand, those two. Bengiyini ngaphandle kwakho. So when someone does something good for you. So both of these are, as I said, a lot when you are thanking someone for something that they've done for you. Bengiyini ngaphandle kwakho. Then hawe, azange ngithole omunye ofana nawe. I never found another like you. We mntana umuntu, we themba lami, so my hope. So the way here is you, mntana umuntu, you, my hope. So I hope you enjoy this song. It's such a beautiful song, my friend. Ngizonibona ngelinye ilanga.